Hello, I'm Rain. We are here in Tig no, Tig Tigbawat. Yeah, and I'm so cool. May duty pa ako bukas, but I'm still here with them.
Hi, I'm Lola.
Hey Lola, so what else can you say?
Wala.
Nothing?
Yes.
And, oops, here we go. This white lady, this white girl, who are you? What's your name?
Nandito kami, mga virgins.
Tigbawan.
Bawal.
San Agustin. So, what else can you say?
Si Tinkerbell.
Alright. So, what can you say about this resort? Oh, do you enjoy here? Did you enjoy? Are you enjoying? So next spot we have the
Ano
most
to places, my
kikay
spot?
girl in the whole world I've ever known. What's your name? Ribori. So what else can you say? And lastly but not the least, oh there she go. That's Tinkerbell. Wow. That's Tinkerbell. So they call themselves as the Virgins.
We are the,
And I'm Rain.
the sabihin mo, the virgins with rain.
Okay, so again, before I end up this video, I would like to introduce them again to all of you. Introduce the Virgins. The Virgins and Rain. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.